Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be going over some of the stuff that Tesla just announced regarding about the extended warranty on all of the Tesla vehicles. So basically what they're doing right now is they're offering you or us, a consumer with Tesla, 2 years or 25,000 miles after our basics warranty expires. However, in order for you have to buy the extended warranty before your basics extended warranty expires. So here's a breakdown, and it states right here some of the Model S and X's are not covered. For example, like for fleet, or you do something other than just personal use, and it won't cover. And as we know, the basic warranty is 4 years, 50,000 miles. So if you're going to add like another 2 years, that would be up to 6 years and 75,000 miles. And this is all the prices for the models right here. So Model 3, we're looking at about 1,800, and Model Y 2,000, Model S 3,100, and Model X 3,500. And this one, it does have a deductible. It's $100. So anytime you go in for a visit, you got to pay $100 deductible. Okay, and this is going to give you a lot of definitions, what they will do and what they will not do, and so on. With this one, you can also cancel it at any time and get your prorated money back, or if you are gonna, you can also transfer it to the other, the owner as well too, which is a good thing. Okay, so more roadside here, what's not covered. It's gonna give you a whole list. I'm not gonna be spending time going over every single item. I'll list everything in the descriptions for you guys, so that way you guys can, if you guys want to know more about the information, you guys can spend the time and read it. Okay, so also let's check on over here too. Here it says right here, if your vehicle 2012, 2020 Model S, 2015 Tesla Model X, Model 3 are still covered by basic limited warranty for new vehicles, you may be eligible to purchase Extended Service Agreement ESA for up to 2 years or 25,000 miles, whichever comes first. And here they're going to go over more information for you. And here, okay, and here it shows you how to, you can actually buy the extended warranty through the app. So you go to you open up the app, and it's going to be under, I'm gonna show you guys. So you see software upgrades, extended service upgrade, and accessories. So in this case, we want to put the software upgrades. That's where you guys can purchase the acceleration boost, the full self-driving, the enhanced, the full FSD, all sort of stuff. But in this case, if you want the extended warranty, then just click in the middle section where it says extended service agreement, and then it says right here, because I have a Model Y, so that it pops up and it knows exactly what my car is, and it tells me the price. And if I really want it, I just click on the add button, and it's going to add it. And so the good thing about Tesla is, like, whatever I do, they know my Tesla. They know the vehicle because it's all computer based. So they can see exactly how many miles I used so far and what's still remaining of the basic warranty. So, and after I click on what's covered, it tells me right here, repair or replacement necessary to correct defects in materials or workmanship of most parts manufactured or supplied by Tesla during the coverage period. What's not covered? The lithium-ion battery and drive unit, which have their own separate warranty, because the battery and the motor, I think it has 8 years and 120,000 miles, so that's a separate thing. Okay, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. So if you want the to purchase the extended warranty, just make sure you do it before it expires. And I did purchase one when I had my my Lexus IS 250, and I think I spent $1,800 for it, but it goes for I think 8 years and 125,000 miles. So, but I don't know if you guys are interested, or if you, because I really like, I hardly buy any. The other time that I bought extended warranty was through a TV, which is like $4,500, and I spent $500 on the extended warranty, and I used the extended warranty for one time. So, and it was like what, $500 or something. So, is it worth it? I don't know. So it is up to you guys, okay? But that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comment below. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video.